Hi, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to hide replies on X profile. So open X application on your phone and tap your profile picture at the top left and then go to your profile. And as you can see, my profile is divided into several sections, and those are posts, replies, highlights, etc. You want to go to replies section. Then open whatever post and find specific reply that you want to hide and tap three-dot button next to it and find function that says hide reply. So that's it. Reply is hidden, and also you can select if you want to block that user, or you can simply press no if you don't want to. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.